today we are beginning the phase 2 plus of Vande Bharat mission from Dubai. We have 4 flights to Kerala today, to each of the airports: Trivandrum, Kochi, Kannur and Kozhikode. We have about 750 people who will be going on these flights, and we have a good mix of pregnant women, also elderly people, but a lot of people now we are able to accommodate who have had job losses. So there is slight shift in the people who are traveling on these flights. This week, fortunately, we have got more than 50 flights to various parts of India. We have flights almost every day to each of the airports in Kerala. But in addition, we have flights to Delhi, we have to Jaipur, we have 4 flights to Hyderabad, we have flights to Goa, 4 airports in Tamil Nadu. So a number of states will be covered in this phase 2 plus in the next 7-8 days from here in Dubai. And altogether, I think we will be able to send back about 10,000 people during phase 2 plus. And I think that should bring big relief to many people who are stranded and who are in a real emergency situation.